How do you teach or promote duplication in your organization? That's an awesome question.
How do you teach or promote duplication in your organization? Ooh, this is a great question because our entire business is built on duplication.
Duplication is really the name of the game.
You start by doing things that you want your team to do.
We lead by example. We just need to do and ask to do things just because we have already done them. You cannot ask for something that you haven't done.
I think the best way to teach and promote duplication is by showing action, is by leading the way.
So what I tell my team is that whatever you are doing, whatever presentation you're doing, however you're talking to people, it has to be really simple that you could explain it to a sixth grader. So never overcomplicate something past a sixth grade level, and that will make it duplicatable for everyone, really easy to understand.
I work on an accountability process where they're accountable to what their goals are. People set goals, and if they're not accountable to those goals, then you can't really duplicate.
Most people will approach this like any sales job in which you get paid on your own efforts. That's not what it's about. We do have to learn how to sell, how to get customers, how to find associates, but it's about following a system of duplication. Listen, if I asked you to make a better tasting hamburger than McDonald's, most people could do it, but you haven't served 100 billion people because their system is better than your system. So, understanding the system that your sponsors created or your teams created to get people locked in, to get them trained during their first 8 weeks, during their first 6 months, during their first year, during their first 5 years is critical.
Well, I think to promote duplication, you need to have a system. And the system needs to be simple enough that anybody can plug into it.
You know, there's really 4 main steps: approach, present, follow up and close, and train your team. So we teach them how to approach the same way that we approach them. And we teach them to present the same way that we do that. We help them with their approaches, coaching and directing them through that. We do some of their first presentations for them and then begin to add them into the presentation process with us. So they're learning everything with us, doing the follow-up and closing together, and then helping, with our help, train their new team members as they come on.
You can't duplicate people. People are unique in what they do. So don't try to duplicate someone else or some special leader, but find a system that you can duplicate and let anybody do.